How to create account on Fantasy Premier League app. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on the Fantasy Premier League app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open the Fantasy Premier League app, tap on Get Started. Here select your favorite team and tap on Continue. Now if you would like to follow any other Premier League teams, you can tap on Yes Big Teams, or if you don't want, you can tap on No Thanks. And if you would like to receive emails from the Premier League or your chosen team, you can tap on Yes Choose Emails, or you can tap on No Thanks. If you would like to receive notifications from the Premier League, you can tap on Yes or No Thanks. Check this box and tap on Yes Create Account. Here write your first name. Here write your last name. Enter here your email. Enter here your password. Select your gender. Select your birth date. Here select your country. If you want to enter your phone number, you can write here. And after that, tap on Continue to choose favorites. Here choose your favorite club. And if you want to keep an eye on others, you can also choose favorite clubs by tapping here. Then tap Next. If you like to hear from the clubs you support, you can check the box on the right side of the club. If you would like the Premier League to send you information such as announcements, fixtures and broadcast schedules or Fantasy Premier League updates, you can check these boxes. Here, if you like the Premier League to send you information on behalf of their official partners, you can check the box on the right side of their partners. Then here scroll down. Check the box I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. And here tap on Terms and Conditions. Now you can read all these terms and conditions, and after reading, tap here in the top right corner. Here select the Premier League app. Now tap on Fantasy in the bottom middle. Here tap on Sign In. Enter here the email address and password and tap on Sign In. And this is how you can create Premier League account. Thanks for watching.